In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic investing with Charles Schwab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule recurring investments into mutual funds so your portfolio can grow on autopilot. First, a quick overview. Schwab's automatic investing, sometimes called the automatic investment plan, lets you choose a mutual fund, set the amount, pick how often you want to invest, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and Schwab will place those purchases for you on a schedule. This is ideal for dollar cost averaging and keeping your plan consistent without having to log in every time. Start on a computer at the Charles Schwab website and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the trade area. In that menu, look for Automatic Investing or Automatic Investment Plan. The name can vary slightly, but it's the option that mentions recurring or scheduled mutual fund purchases. Next, select the account you want to use. You can choose a standard brokerage account or a retirement account like an IRA. This simply tells Schwab where to place the automatic orders and where to hold the fund shares. Now, pick your mutual fund. You need an eligible mutual fund for this feature to work. Schwab's own index mutual funds, such as SWPPX or SWTSX, are common choices and are typically eligible. Keep in mind, this automation does not work with ETFs or individual stocks, so funds like SPY or QQQ won't be available for true auto investing. Set your investment details. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Schwab allows low amounts, even starting at around $1. Choose your frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Monthly is a popular choice, and it's smart to align the date with your cash flow. Then pick a start date for when you want the plan to begin. Choose your funding source. You can use your Schwab cash balance or set it to pull from a linked bank account via ACH. If you're using a bank, make sure it's linked and verified so the transfers run smoothly. Before you finish, review every detail carefully. Fund, account, amount, frequency, start date, and funding source. When everything looks right, submit to set up the plan. A few important notes. Only mutual funds support true automatic investing at Schwab. Stocks and ETFs require manual orders or other workflows. It may take 1 to 2 business days for a new plan to activate. And you can edit, pause, or cancel your plan at any time if your goals or cash flow change. That's it. Your automatic investing is now set up and working for you.